Ed served 3 tours in Iraq, and he was one tough devil dog. He saw and experienced more than his share of pain and suffering.
The loss of comrades in arms. It affects them all so deeply. They all carry invisible wounds, wounds that can have disastrous results when they return home.
We're here to recognize his service and the service of all our military and veterans, all those who run toward danger for us.
Ed got love and guidance from his late father when he needed it. His dad's advice, go get help. They are there for you, and so are we. Receiving counseling at the VA allowed Ed to move forward and heal. And then he literally became re-inspired.
You know, I started going to the VA, and it was good to talk to someone and to let them know what was going on. They've helped me. They probably saved my life. A light bulb went off in my head. I was like, this is what I want to do. I want to help other veterans. I want to show them that they're not alone and that there's things that can help you and you're not by yourself.
Recognizing the sacrifices of our veterans is what Military Makeover is all about. And we're shifting into high gear.
Art! I gave you this list at the beginning of the show. How far have you got?
Well, we're really storming the beaches in there. We're leading from the rear. You know, we're really killing it.
In other words, you've ignored the list, huh?
Well, here, I'll look at your list here. How about a 5-letter word for overbearing, pompous, shouting?
Get out of here. What's that? At ease. Okay,
That again?
what I gotta put up with. Art, get out of here.
All right, gunman.
Gunman.
Looks like we're almost done. Said no one ever on this thing. Is the air on? No. It just shows the importance of air conditioning.
Chris Morgan and his team from Premier Comfort have teamed up with Goodman brand HVAC to have a dramatic impact on the comfort situation in this home. They've begun what we like to call Operation Comfort. We had all hands on deck to get this place feeling cool and comfortable. The temperature inside yesterday was about the same as it was outside, and now we've got our friend Chris from Premier Comfort Services installed a brand new Goodman HVAC system. What was the toughest part of doing an install in an older home like this?
The toughest part of doing an install in an older home is most of them are in the attic, and yesterday in the attic was 124 degrees.
Wow, wait a minute. 124 degrees.
124 degrees, yes.
So we didn't lose any people on this job, did we?
No, we didn't.
Okay. So what did we do? What was the first step of the process?
Well, the first step of the process, we do what's called a heat load calculation.
So then you pick out the correct system, and what did we end up going with?
Well, with a 16-SEER 3.5-ton Goodman.
So not only did we upgrade the actual AC system to cool more efficiently, we got more efficient with this amazing digital thermostat, completely Wi-Fi controlled.
One of my favorite features about the thermostat is once they start driving home, the thermostat can tell they're on their way home and comes on automatically. They don't even have to do anything.
That is fantastic. Well, Chris, as we leave the comfort of that beautiful air-conditioned room in there, we step out into the heat. It's well over 90 and humid here in West Palm, Lake Worth area. Tell us why we did the install up on the roof.
It was already designed to be on the roof. The home was engineered to be on the roof. The main advantage is it accumulates less dirt. Dirt is the #1 enemy of your air conditioning system.
Yeah, so you don't want any of this sandy soil blowing in there. Speaking of airflow, how about some cool airflow, man?
Yeah,
let's get back inside.
Let's get back inside.
Great job.
It's a scorcher. You know what's worse than heat and humidity? When your home's air conditioning breaks down.
Oh no.
That's when they call me, an independent Goodman dealer.
Thank goodness.
I'll install a new, energy-efficient, refreshingly affordable Goodman air conditioner. When your home feels like it's the hottest place on earth, it's good to know there's a local Goodman dealer nearby.
Daddy's home.
Hey!
Long day.
Thank goodness for Goodman.